Hello everyone. Holi is nearing and so is summer. So can Thandai be far behind? Welcome to Desilicious kitchen friends. Today we are going to see how to make Thandai. This Thandai that we are going to show you is much more delicious than any store bought Thandai. So let us begin without much ado. But before that, do not forget to subscribe to our channel Desilicious Kitchen and press the bell icon to receive notifications. We've taken 2 tablespoon poppy seeds or Kaskas, 2 tablespoon watermelon seeds or Magaj, 2 tablespoon cashew nuts or kaju, 2 tablespoon pistachio or pista, 2 tablespoon badam or almonds, and 4 to 5 green cardamoms or choti elaichi. Half teaspoon saunf or fennel seeds, 1 tablespoon black peppercorns or kali mirch, and a few strands of kesar. We are going to use kesar in 2 installments, once to grind and once in the sugar syrup. So now let us take all the ingredients other than badam or almonds in a vessel and add hot water to it. We are adding hot water because we are going to soak these only for 4 to 5 hours. If you are going to add room temperature water, then ensure that you soak for 8 to 9 hours or overnight. So now let us keep this aside and soak the badam or almonds in hot water. Let us add hot water to the badam or almonds. We are soaking this separately because we need to peel the skin of the badam. Now both of these will be closed, covered and kept for 4 to 5 hours. Now after 4 or 5 hours, after 5 hours actually, let us see how our nuts are doing. As you can see, the nuts have increased in size. They have become much bigger now. This is how we want them to be. And now we have to peel off the skin of the badam or almonds. Peel them like this. Now we have peeled off the skin of all the badams or almonds. Let us transfer all these ingredients to a mixer jar. We are not even going to waste the water in which the nuts were soaked. These are all very precious. But we are straining the kaskas. We are straining the last of the ingredients remaining because kaskas stays behind and it will not get ground properly if you add it with water afterwards. So we are adding a little water and all the ingredients now. If you put all the water now, then we cannot get a proper paste. So let us add water bit by bit and grind it to a smooth paste. That's it now. We have put all the water. Now our paste is all ready. See, this is how smooth it should be. Our paste is very smooth and nice. Now in a pan, we have taken 1 cup sugar. You can add sugar as per taste. We have taken 1 cup, which is 250 milliliter, and we have added an equal amount of water. 1 cup sugar, 1 cup water. We are not going to make a sugar syrup of any consistency here. We just want the sugar to dissolve in the water. We have heated the pan now and kept it on a high flame. And now we have added a few strands of kesar. This is the second installment of kesar. We have already ground kesar or saffron. Now we are adding it again for the color. Now our sugar has dissolved and let us add the ground paste. Now we have lowered the flame. We have kept it to medium to low. Now mix it well. And we need to add some more water now. Now the mixture has been boiling for 15 minutes. It has thickened now. So we have added 1 more cup of water. Keep water close by and keep adding as the mixture thickens. So it has to come to a boil for 30 minutes this way. Intermittently keep adding water as necessary. Otherwise the mixture will become too thick. So now our mixture has been boiling for nearly 30 minutes. We are going to switch off the flame. Although it still doesn't look too thick, it is going to thicken afterwards. So this is the consistency. Now we have switched off the flame. We have kept it at this consistency. We have covered it. And now after it has completely cooled down, let us check upon it. This is the consistency after cooling. This is how we want it. This is our concentrate. Now let us transfer the concentrate. No, before that, let us add 2 tablespoons to 2 glasses. We are going to make the Thandai now. You can add crushed ice or ice if you want, but we have only added chilled milk. We have not added additional ice, but you can add if you want. So now we need to mix it very well. We can add rose petals. We didn't add because we did not get organic rose easily here. Or you can add gulkand while grinding. But what we are going to do is we are going to add this pure rose water. 1 teaspoon for 2 glasses is what we are adding. We don't have to add too much. We are just adding rose water here. Again mix it well. Our Thandai smells so good. Now let us fill in this delicious Thandai after the rose water has been added. See what a beautiful color it has. You can also garnish with some rose petals. As I said, we didn't get organic rose petals, so we didn't garnish. We are garnishing with just a few nuts here. Doesn't your Thandai look awesome? It tastes very good. Now with the concentrate, we are going to keep this concentrate in the refrigerator. It will stay good for at least a month. After a month, its taste will start, it won't be as tasty. But it is not going to last that long. So let us transfer it to a bottle and we are going to use this as and when necessary. Just like we made Thandai now. Whenever we want, we can make Thandai. So we will refrigerate this. Our concentrate is ready. We'll cover it with a lid. I hope you enjoyed watching this recipe of Thandai. If you did, do give us your feedback. Press the like button if you liked it. And give us your comment. Thank you very much for watching. See you soon with another video. Bye for now. Take care and happy Holi.